This is the Wozhuang Market channel. Today is the remote controller channel setup tutorial video. After the equipment's wiring of the aircraft is completed, the flight controller is connected to the computer by USB cable for data transmission and setting. In the video, we use the data transmission module connection for convenient debugging. Open Mission Planner to connect. Then, go to Settings to begin channel debugging. First, select the type of aircraft frame and the position of the motor distribution. In the video, we use the 450 frame, which is a quadcopter with motors arranged in an X-shaped configuration. Choose according to your frame type. Then, accelerometer calibration, which involves calibrating 6 sides. Rotate the aircraft in each direction as prompted on the page. Click to proceed to next step after each rotation until the page displays a successful calibration. The next step is to calibrate the compass. Rotate all sides of the drone 360 degrees until the progress bar is complete, and it will prompt you that it is successful. Afterwards, proceed with joystick calibration on the remote controller. Move each joystick on the remote controller, and you can see which channel corresponds to the joystick you are moving. After moving all of them, click to save. Once debugging is finished, you can proceed to set up flight mode. As we can see now, the default flight mode is Channel 5. So, we activate the Channel 5 joystick. The Channel 5 has 3 positions of remote controller, allowing you to switch between 3 modes. Each time we move to a different position, we can select the design mode within it. I have chosen altitude hold and the hover mode, and then select it to save. Switching to the flight interface, we can see that by moving the Channel 5 joystick, we can successfully switch between flight modes. We can also find the flight mode CH in the full parameter list within config. This parameter allows us to change the channel for switching flight modes. Here, we change it to the channel 6. Click to write the parameter. And now the channel 5 has been modified to the channel 6. Return to the flight interface when moving the channel 6 joystick. We can see that the flight mode switches normally. Besides setting flight modes, other channels can also be configured in the full parameter list with the desired functions. Typically, throttle and rudder are not configured. For instance, let's enter RC5, which stands for the channel 5, and find the RC5 option parameter. We can locate the desired function in the option section of this parameter and fill in the corresponding sequence number in the value section. After writing the parameter, we go to the flight interface. Move our channel 5 joystick, which should switch normally. Similarly, other channels are configured in the same manner. This tutorial video is finished. Please follow our channel to watch more videos.